An element is a pure substance made up of only one kind of atoms that cannot be converted into anything simpler than itself by any physical or chemical process. These elements were formed during the Big Bang. The first element to be formed was hydrogen, followed by helium. All the elements known to us were created in the heart of stars, which were scattered through space when the stars exploded. Elements are the basic substances from which all the other substances are made. Based on their properties, elements are classified into metals, nonmetals, metalloids, and noble or inert gases. Compounds are pure substances formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements in a definite proportion by mass. Compounds are formed when elements are joined and held together by strong forces called chemical bonds. Energy is absorbed or evolved when a compound is formed. Compounds can be separated into their components only by chemical change. An atom can be defined as the smallest indivisible unit of an element which exhibits all the properties of that element and may or may not have independent existence. Atoms were discovered by the famous scientist John Dalton. A molecule can be defined as the smallest unit of an element or a compound which exhibits all the properties of that element or the compound and has independent existence. They are divisible into atoms. A molecule is monoatomic when it contains only one atom. A molecule is diatomic when it contains two atoms. A molecule is triatomic when it contains three atoms. A molecule is polyatomic when it contains more than three atoms. When atoms of two or more elements combine, they form a molecule of a compound. A water molecule is formed by two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. The number of atoms in a molecule of an element is called its atomicity. The combining capacity of an atom is its ability to make bonds with other elements. A formula or a formulae is a short way of representing the molecule of an element or a compound. It is meant to save time, space, and energy. These elements and compounds are essential in sustaining life.